Hi everybody, I'm Kathy Lee Gifford, and I'd like to show you where you can experience the style and spirit of all of those great cities and more in one incredible place. And you only unpack once. Where? Here, on board the Carnival Triumph, a ship like no other in the world. That's because she was designed to celebrate all the great cities of the world and satisfy each and every guest. Let me show you why you're going to love this beautiful ship.
Enjoy wonderful service, served with a smile, meeting new friends, relaxing in style, dining at midnight, dancing till dawn, loving where you're going and where you've just gone. Whatever you do, you'll have a ball. On the Carnival Triumph, we'll give you our all. On the Carnival Triumph, we'll give you our all. It's the grandest ship that you've ever seen. Fabulous spa, fantastic cuisine, great shows as you sail to fun ports of call. On the Carnival Triumph, we'll give you
Let's begin our tour in the Grand Atrium lobby with someone who's particularly familiar with the Carnival Triumph because he's the ship's interior architect, my friend Joe Farkas. Hi, Joe.
Nice
Good to
to
see
see
you again. This is absolutely breathtaking. And of course, it's the central meeting place on the Carnival Triumph, but is it really 9 stories high, Joe?
It's really 9 stories high, and on top of us is a globe of the world, which really is what the ship is all about. All of the public rooms are named after cities of the world, and it's a tour.
It's a fantastic tour, and I know that you have designed all the interiors of all of the Carnival ships, but I think with the world, you've outdone yourself here.
Thanks. Everyone seems to like it.
Where are you going to go next, the universe?
Good question.
Also in the Atrium, you'll find the 24-hour information desk. This is where you get answers to any questions you might have. You'll book your shore excursions here too, and just put them on your sail and sign card, a handy little card you use for all onboard purchases. Okay, now we're on World's Way. This double-wide promenade leads to the best in entertainment. Look at these elegant etched glass murals. The artwork throughout the ship is really impressive. And so is the shopping. Duty-free fragrances, watches and crystal, designer names, logo wear. Whether it's for you or for someone back home you love, you'll find something great at a great price. Right in the center of the action on World's Way is the popular World's Bar. It's a great place to rendezvous and enjoy some of the best people watching aboard ship. One of the sweetest places on board is the Vienna Cafe. Here you can relax with a cup of coffee or cappuccino and an exquisite little pastry or specialty ice cream. On World's Way, you'll also find the 3-level Rome Lounge. This handsome showroom, inspired by Rome's famous Colosseum, is where you'll see Carnival's award-winning Vegas-style production. There's still more entertainment at the end of the ship in Club Rio. It's a fabulous place to dance, and at midnight, there's great comedy and late-night entertainment. If you love to dance or just listen to the music, you'll love the Carnival Triumph because this ship moves to all kinds of rhythms. Catch the beat in the Venezia Lounge. Or in the lively double-deck Hollywood Dance Club, which stays open till the wee hours. If you want casino action, waltz at a Club Monaco for craps, blackjack, roulette, slots, and Mega Cash, the largest slot jackpot at sea. You know, Carnival's casinos are some of the largest afloat and the friendliest. Even if you don't play, you'll want to stop in to see what's all the fun about. For a totally different kind of action, check out the Olympic Sports Bar. Designed in honor of the world-famous games, this popular room has giant screen TVs so you can catch the day's games. The motif features international sports memorabilia. In underground Tokyo, go high-tech with the latest video and virtual reality games. No matter how old you are, you've got to check out this fun center. On the Carnival Triumph, you can even be the entertainment when you solo or sing along at the Big Easy Piano Bar. For a little calmer atmosphere, relax and enjoy the company in the handsome Oxford Bar. Or visit the Washington Library for a good read or board game. Of course, there are plenty of quiet places all over the ship to just sit and watch the world go by. Now that's just a taste of what's awaiting you on board. When it comes to taste, everything is exquisite on the Carnival Triumph. Whether your reserved table is in the stylish London dining room or in the romantic Paris dining room, you'll be delighted with the setting, selection, presentation, and the pampering service at breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There's a different menu every night, offering wonderful appetizers, soups, fresh salads, a pasta, and a choice of entrees, and incredible desserts. Every day there are also new tempting vegetarian dishes, light, healthful Nautica Spa selections, and a children's menu. If you wish to complement the cuisine with a fine wine, Carnival can offer you selections from around the world. At breakfast, lunch, or dinner, if you prefer to dine in a more casual bistro-style setting, head for the South Beach Club. Here, the delicious menu also changes every day, and you can dine indoors or out with a panoramic view of the sea. Among the other appetizing choices of flavors from around the world are sizzling stir-fry specialties at Hong Kong Noodle, hand-carved sandwiches with all the trimmings at the New York Deli, an all-American burger and fries at the Coney Island Grill. And of course, there's always room for a little ice cream. Did I say little? And don't rush. South Beach Club offers the convenience of extended hours. Talk about extended hours. Gourmet pizza and Caesar salad are available, freshly made, 24 hours a day. Of course, if you just want to relax in your stateroom, complimentary room service is also available 24 hours a day. And here's something that always impresses our guests: Carnival's late night buffet. It's as artistic as it is delicious, and on one special night, it's positively gala. By now you've seen there's a world of things to do on the Carnival Triumph, but you haven't seen it all. And if you've never been on board Carnival, you might be surprised just how much emphasis there is on fitness and well-being. This is the Nautica Spa, and it's a state-of-the-art fitness and spa facility, and this is my friend Tino, and he's the exercise director here. Hi, Tino.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Is
Great.
this the most popular piece of equipment?
Well, everybody has their favorites, and as we know, the classes are very popular, and our personal trainers are here to help you make the most of your time in the gym.
And you're great at it. Look what he's done for me.
Yeah.
Huh? Get a load of this baby. And there's always the morning walk or jog on deck. But whether you work out or not, try to find time for the relaxing satisfaction of a steam or sauna. Or try one of Carnival Triumph's 7 welcoming whirlpools. And if you really want to pamper yourself, schedule a massage. Or one of the other professional beauty or therapy treatments available at our world-class salon and spa. One of the best things about a Carnival vacation is you can do it all, or just kick back and relax and do nothing at all. And on the Carnival Triumph, one of the best places to relax is on the huge outdoor entertainment deck. Spanning the length of 3 football fields, you'll find 4 pools, 2 with fountains, and 1 with a 214-foot spiral water slide. You can join in the pool fun, or just lounge in the sun or in the shade. And while you may want to take it easy, there's a good chance the kids won't. But not to worry. The Carnival Triumph offers the award-winning Camp Carnival program with supervised group activities for kids from toddlers to teens. If you're looking for a vacation the whole family can enjoy, this is it. And everyone will certainly enjoy the comfort of the Carnival Triumph staterooms. Did you know that Carnival staterooms are, on average, 50% larger than those of any other cruise line? And like everything else on the Carnival Triumph, you get lots of choices. You can settle into an interior ocean view stateroom with twin beds that convert to a king, a comfy sitting area, large bathroom with shower, a phone to call anywhere in the world, plenty of drawer and closet space, a safe for valuables. And on your interactive TV, you can not only watch first-run movies, you can also order shore tours and room service. On the Carnival Triumph, more than 60% of the staterooms offer ocean views. Of those, more than 60% have a private balcony overlooking the sea. There are also connecting staterooms, which are ideal for families. If you're looking for even more luxury, consider a large balcony suite with separate dressing and sitting areas, a refrigerator, entertainment center, whirlpool bath, and private balcony. And for the ultimate in luxury, our largest balcony suite. It has everything the balcony suite offers, plus a walk-in closet and even more space. You'll find little surprises all around you on the Carnival Triumph. The entire staff is dedicated to your good time. You'll have a world of fun as you travel to some of the Caribbean's most memorable destinations on either of the Carnival Triumph's alternating 7-day itineraries, both with Saturday departures from Miami. On the eastern route, you'll visit colorful, historic San Juan, the primitive beauty of St. Croix's magnificent beaches, and St. Thomas, a true island paradise for shopping and sightseeing. The western route takes you to Cozumel for great snorkeling and water sports and charming island shops. Then on to the crystal blue waters of Grand Cayman and its famously friendly stingrays. Last stop, Ocho Rios, Jamaica, where an excursion to Dunn's River Falls is a must. You know, for great vacation value, you just can't beat the Carnival Triumph because one low price includes wonderful accommodations, incredible food, fun activities, pampering service, great entertainment, and memorable destinations. And because she's one of the largest fun ships, the Carnival Triumph gives you even more space, even more splendor, more of everything that makes today's Carnival the most popular cruise line in the world.
More ways to adventure, more tastes that invite, more nights of excitement, more days of delight. Your fun ship is calling, answer the call. On the Carnival Triumph, we give you our all. On the Carnival Triumph, we give you our all.
You'll love your fun ship cruise. In fact, Carnival is so confident that you will have the time of your life, they're the only cruise line to include a vacation guarantee. So book now on the Carnival Triumph, where every member of the staff will give their all to make sure you have the most perfect vacation possible.